In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a PDF to an invoice that you email directly from QuickBooks Online. This is a simple but powerful skill that can enhance your invoicing process by allowing you to provide clients with additional documentation alongside their invoices. Whether you need to attach contracts, detailed breakdowns, or terms of sale, this method is a valuable tool to have at your disposal. Let's start by navigating to QuickBooks Online. Open your preferred web browser and enter QuickBooks website if you aren't logged in already. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home page. From here, locate the New button. The New button is your gateway to creating a variety of transactions within QuickBooks. Clicking on it will reveal a menu with multiple options. In this menu, you'll want to select Invoice. QuickBooks will then open the invoice creation screen where you can begin entering the necessary details for your client. Take a moment to ensure the details are accurate, from entering your client's information to listing the products or services provided. This accuracy is crucial for maintaining clear communication and ensuring timely payments. Now, to attach that important PDF file, look for the Add Attachment option. This feature allows you to include any relevant documents with your invoice, enhancing the clarity and comprehensiveness of the information you're providing to your clients. Click it, and a window will prompt you to select a file from your computer. Navigate to the location of your PDF, select it, and upload. Uploading the file is straightforward, but it's always a good idea to double-check that the correct file is uploaded to avoid any confusion later. Remember, attached PDFs can be anything from contracts to more detailed line items, ensuring that your clients have everything they need to approve the invoice promptly. Once your attachment is uploaded, confirm all the information on your invoice. Double-check the due dates, the amounts, and any additional notes you may want to communicate to your clients. This is your chance to ensure clarity and professionalism in your billing process. With everything set, you're ready to finalize by sending the invoice via email to your client. QuickBooks Online will package everything, including your attached PDF, and deliver it to your client's inbox. This streamlined process not only saves time but also improves client relations with well-documented and clear business communications. That's it! You've successfully attached a PDF to an invoice on QuickBooks Online. This simple step can greatly improve your invoicing process, ensuring all necessary documentation is included. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has been helpful for your business needs. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore other resources or support options on QuickBooks Online.